operational frequency of 369 tesla.com. Now I'm going to show you something I think is really cool. Little bit of Oslo, and here is what I'm going to show you. These birds are in fact not birds, they are interdimensional, multidimensional light beings, also known as orbs or Pleiadians. Now look at how they are all golden, and they emanate very strong light from their bodies. There are actually 4 of them right there. Here you see 3 of them as they stretch their wings over the intersection here at the place called Grønland. Coming in for a landing. Can't really see too much right there, but a little bit maybe. But here comes another one, and this one is more colorful. Now let's take a look at this close up again, people. Look at this one. You can clearly see this light coming out from its body. There we go again. Same thing. This is the old fire station. There we go again. And clearly you can see the colorful birds as they glide right on top of the traffic on downtown Oslo. And they come together. Nobody has a clue down there that they are looking at anything else but birds. If they had any idea, they would probably be very surprised and very shocked. Maybe some of you who were there actually will see this video sometime. They are really glowing. And here comes the other one. He's really colorful, this one. As you can see, it's snow on the roofs on top of the houses there, and that means the sun is very weak, so you cannot explain this phenomena by saying that it's a reflection from the sun. That just would be totally wrong. Here are some close-ups on the birds. As you can see, they shapeshift many times. They almost hit each other. That's incredible. Yeah, they look really entangled. Also look at that tree, people. I know it's hard for you to see it, but these are in fact many interdimensional beings right in that frame. But you don't know this because you haven't seen the miracles I can actually do when I edit photos. I will show you that later. Clearly see the orb in the middle of the birds. And again, there's a tree here, people, and you have no idea how these trees that they are much more than you actually believe they are. I will get into that on another video. Here we see them again, all three of them. Or actually four altogether, but this is pretty cool. So maybe this will make you look at birds in a new way. Now that you understand they might be, in fact, let's say superior beings, because that's what they in reality are. Superior to us anyway. That doesn't take too much effort. Now we come to the point where they meet again. goes so slow, this is more or less frame by frame. But I think this footage is quite incredible and absolutely worth studying in really slow motion. One goes right and one goes left. Let's follow the left one. We follow the right one a little bit. Okay. For those who have seen some of my videos, may have seen some of the other birds that I've also filmed and documented without a shadow of a doubt that they are in fact not birds. Many of them are not birds. I'm not saying that there is no birds still alive, people. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that many of the birds over Oslo are in fact not birds. That's all I'm saying. And there is no reason to believe that this phenomenon should be restricted to Oslo only. That wouldn't make any sense. So with that, people, I thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and get all my new videos and updates. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.